Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we make a delicious but simple dish, vegan chickpeas coconut curry for gluten-free dietary high fiber fortification. And this is the ingredients I will use for the dish vegan chickpeas coconut curry. Instead of brown rice, I use red rice because red rice is a gluten-free high fiber food. So why each major ingredients was chosen. So chickpeas chosen as the main protein source, high in dietary fiber, plant-based protein and iron, making the dish filling and nutritious. And the coconut milk provides creaminess and flavor while remaining vegan and gluten-free. Vegetable, instead of carrots, I use malunggay because malunggay leaves, they are also rich in dietary fiber, vitamins A and C, calcium, iron, and antioxidant. So in the frying pan, add the oil, 1 2 tablespoon, and then add the 1/4 cup of onion until soft. Add the ginger, 1/2 cup, and 1/4 cup of onion. And add the curry powder and chili powder. Saute until 2 to 3 minutes. And add the salt for taste. Add the carbon sauce chickpeas, 1 cup. And saute it for the 2 to 3 minutes. And add 1 cup of coconut oil. and cover until a low medium heat. And add the sprinkle malunggay. Okay. So this is my final dish, vegan chickpeas coconut curry for one serve.